The typewriter is a mechanical device used for typing and printing characters onto paper. It was a common tool for writing, correspondence, and document creation before the widespread adoption of computers and word processors. Here are some key points about typewriters. Invention and development. The first practical typewriter, known as the Sholes and Glidden typewriter, was invented by Christopher Latham Sholes, Carlos Glidden, and Samuel W. Sewell in the 1860s. Over the years, various improvements were made to typewriters, including the introduction of the QWERTY keyboard layout, shift keys, and ribbon-based ink typing mechanisms. Mechanical operation. Typewriters rely on mechanical components and levers to transfer the user's keystrokes onto paper. When a key is pressed, a series of linkages and levers connected to the corresponding character on the type bar raise it, striking an inked ribbon against the paper and leaving an impression of the character. Keyboard layout. Most typewriters use the QWERTY keyboard layout, which was designed to prevent jamming of the early mechanical typewriter mechanisms. The QWERTY layout arranges letters and common characters in a specific order that is still used on modern computer keyboards. Portable and electric typewriters. While early typewriters were large and heavy, advancements led to the development of portable models. These portable typewriters were smaller, lighter, and designed for greater convenience. In the 20th century, electric typewriters were introduced, which used electric power to operate the typing mechanism, providing a smoother typing experience. Impact and legacy. Typewriters revolutionized the way written documents were created and played a significant role in business, administration, and personal correspondence for many decades. They influenced typing skills, led to the establishment of typing schools, and contributed to the development of secretarial and clerical professions. Decline and modern use. With the rise of personal computers and word processing software, typewriters gradually became obsolete in most professional and personal settings. However, some individuals still appreciate typewriters for their nostalgic value, unique typing experience, and the aesthetic charm of their mechanical workings. Today, typewriters are mainly used by collectors, enthusiasts, and writers who appreciate the tactile feel and nostalgia associated with using these iconic machines. Although they have been largely replaced by digital technology, typewriters remain a fascinating symbol of an earlier era in written communication and document creation.